Passage has started discharging new data about the 2018 Ford Expedition to set us up for the vehicle's forthcoming entry, and we need to state, we can't resist the urge to get energized each time we discover some new information about the SUV. Anticipated that would arrive later this fall, we definitely realize that the 2018 Expedition will highlight some extraordinary updates and new choices. Be that as it may, shouldn't something be said about motor execution? The automaker as of late filled us in on the SUV's accessible motor alternatives. The 2018 Ford Expedition is said to be the most effective Expedition yet, coming standard with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost motor that'll be combined with a 10-speed programmed. This motor will offer two distinctive power appraisals, in view of trim level, and will have a best-in-class towing limit of 9,000 pounds when legitimately prepared. Look at the diagram underneath to see a greater amount of the 2018 Expedition's execution specs. Trim level XL, XLT, limited equipped engine 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine performance 375 horsepower, 470 pounds-to-foot change more than 2017 plus 10 horsepower, plus 50 pounds-to-foot.
Yeah.